beer or wine or Odelmoss. Hello everybody and welcome to the next episode. Of Bavaria in English. If you ask somebody anywhere in the world, or for example in the USA, what he knows about Germany, he would say to you that you can drink beer under 18 years. And that point is right. In Germany means also in Bavaria you can drink beer or wine if you're 16 years old. Luckily for us, bad for all the other people. So if you come here to visit Germany or Bavaria, you wanna drink some beer. So you had to know what you say to this or something else who contains your beer or wine or Odelmoss. But this is another video. So we start with the smallest container we have for beer. This is a kregel. A kregel is a glass with a grip on the side. It contains 0.5 liters water, beer, wine or anything else. And 0.5 liter are literally the smallest amount of beer you can order in Germany. Yeah, that's a seidel. A half liter is a seidel. The next glass is no kregel, it's a glass, it's a Weizenglasl. In this glass you only drink a special kind of beer, Weizen, and because that it's called Weizenglasl. If that is not enough for you, you can have a Mooskrug or Masskrug. Masskrug, Mooskrug, Masskrug. A Mass is 1 liter. If you order a beer at the Oktoberfest in Munich, you normally get it in a Masskrug. Like I said, it contains 1 liter of beer. There are many other creations of beer mixed drinks. You can watch on my channel. It's only in German, but maybe you will get it when you see it. At last, the shot. A shot in Bavaria is a Stamperl. Normally 2 centiliter, sometimes for stronger alcoholic drinks. Anything that's stronger than beer or wine is not under 18. But if you're 18 you can drink anything you want. And how you dirnk. So that's it for today. I hope my English is not too bad for you. If you want to see more, write it in the comments. See you later. Subscribe to my channel, like and bye. Satz freundlich. Have